Hello friends, welcome to Marshall's classes. Today we will solve a problem related to differential equation, more specifically linear differential equation from class 12 mathematics NCERT level. This question is taken from the CBSE 2020 board examination. Find the general solution of the differential equation y into e power y dx is equal to y cube plus 2x e power y dy. This problem carries a weightage of 4 marks. Let's see how we solve this problem. So friends, this is the given equation y e power y dx is equal to y cube plus 2x e power y into dy. We divide both sides of the equation by this term y e power y and dy to get the resulting equation as dx by dy is equal to y square by ey. Remember, this y cube becomes y square, and then there's a e power y plus 2x by y. Now this equation can also be written in the form of dx by dy plus minus 2 by y into x is equal to y square e power minus y. This is on rearranging. 2x by y goes to the left hand side of the equation, and y square divided by ey, we take it as y square into e power minus y. Now this equation is of the form of dx by dy plus p1x is equal to q1, where p1 is minus 2 by y and q1 is y square into e power minus y. These are both functions of y. Now we have the integrating factor if is given by e power integral p1 dy. Friends, this is a unique method for solving the linear differential equation, where we find the integrating factor and then we have a solution to this problem. So we substitute the value of p1 in this equation to get e to the power of integral minus 2 by y dy, because p1 is minus 2 by y. Subsequently, we know that integral dy by y is nothing but log y. The minus 2 is a constant term, comes out, so it becomes e power minus 2 into log y. Now we know that a into log b is nothing but log of b to the power of a. We apply this relation and get e power log into y to the power of minus 2. So e and log y power minus 2 can be written as y power minus 2, and that is equal to 1 by y square. So we have found out the integrating factor as 1 by y square. Now the solution for the linear differential equation dx by dy plus p1x equal to q1 is given by x into integrating factor is equal to integral q1 into integrating factor dy plus constant of integration. Let's substitute the values. We know the if, we know q1. Let's substitute them. So if is nothing but 1 by y square, so we get x by y square is equal to integral q1 is nothing but y square into e power minus y. So y square into e power minus y into 1 by y square dy plus c. So y square and y square gets cancelled. The equation becomes x by y square is equal to integral e power minus y dy plus c. Now we know that integral e power minus y is nothing but minus e power minus y. So the resulting equation becomes x by y square is equal to minus e power minus y plus c, and we rearrange it to get the final answer x by y square plus e power minus y. When minus comes to the LHS, it becomes plus, is equal to constant. This is the final answer to the problem. So friends, hope you like the video. Do subscribe to the channel Marshall's Classes, share it with your friends, and give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching.